These are wall glides. So you're going to start standing near a wall. You can do these on either side, whatever your doctor tells you. You can also do both sides. You're going to lean in against the wall, putting your inside hand on your outside shoulder, and then your outside hand on your hip on that same side. You're going to, keeping your shoulder nice and low, you're going to push your hip into the wall using your hand. You're not going to let your hips just fall in, letting your hips do the work, because you want your hips fully relaxed. So use your outside hand, pushing your hips towards the wall, and your feet stay together on this. Then, once you touch the wall or get as far in as you can, you come right back out of it. These are just reps, you're not holding. Now, if you're not feeling the stretch, scoot your feet a little bit further away from the wall, as Max does, and you're pushing a little bit deeper into it by moving your feet further away from the wall. You can do about 10 reps per side, or if you do both sides, 10 reps per side.